Good morning, everybody. So I'm going to start off by writing on my bag. By title, you can see what we're doing. We're making some homemade rice Roni. Mine's going to be gluten-free and dairy-free. Now you can, it doesn't really matter, like you can use regular spaghetti for this if you want. I'm using the gluten-free spaghetti, rice, and all gluten-free spices, and some spices that herbs I grew it in my own backyard. Now I was also saying to Lisa that you could probably make this keto friendly by using cauliflower rice and the spice mix. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to start off by writing on my bag that rice Roni. How do I spell it right? I probably still spelled it wrong, but I really don't care. I need to add 2 3/4 cup water to mine, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I actually might lower that a little bit because it was a little greasy for my liking, but that's just me. Okay. So that's the extra stuff I need to add to it. Oh, I gotta write on this one too. 2, because I'm gonna do 2 batches of this. Now I don't use butter, I use margarine, but it's just easier for me to write butter. Okay. Oh, we still spelled it wrong. The I's at the end. Ugh. Oh well. I know what it is, so that's all that matters. Okay, so I'm going to add my pasta to this. Oh, I need to get my rice. I'm going to have to pause you while I go do that. So I'm going to add my half a cup of rice, or my half a cup of pasta in there. Just give me a second. I'm going to go and get my rice. Okay, so now I have my rice and my pasta in there. I have 1 cup of rice to half a cup of pasta, and don't use instant rice. You need to use the long cooked rice, or just regular cooking rice, I guess. Not instant. So we're just going to set that aside. Now I have 2 because I'm making 2. I probably could even make 3 or 4 of them at a time if I wanted to, but I'm just going to make 2 for now. So you need some chicken powder. And if you need this to be low sodium, either use a low sodium one or use 2 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth, or 2 cups chicken broth and 3/4 of a cup water. Just replace your water with chicken stock and leave this out. We need some onion powder, garlic powder. I'm using chipotle chili pepper because I actually don't cook with like black pepper terribly often. I'd much rather use stuff like this. I'm using some oregano, basil, and parsley. Okay, so let's just move that out of my way for a moment. So we need, so you need 4, I'll write the thing down below if I remember. So we need 4 teaspoons of the chicken powder, 2, 3, 4, and like I said, I always feel if you're doing 1, do 2, then saves yourself some time, and you can have an extra one in the cupboard. We need half a teaspoon of, it's so hot and humid here, everything is sticking together. Okay, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic. Oh, okay, that one's a little bit heavy on the side, that's alright. You want a 1/4 teaspoon of basil and a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of parsley. Thankfully my parsley is starting to grow and get ready to be dry because I'm running low. And then I just add, because I have kids, I just add a couple, like a good dash, maybe a little bit more than that one, and that one, of the chipotle chili pepper powder. And that is it. We'll give this a little stir. Now I'm going to store mine in little baggies like this. I'll show you. Oh, I got onion powder on the counter. Oh well. It'll clean up. Just like so. Now I'm going to put these in the bag. There we go. Oh, you, down, further. Seal this up. There we go. Homemade rice Roni pack. How cool is that, right? And now whenever I want it, it's no different than grabbing it from the box. All I gotta do is put my butter down in the pan, fry up my rice and my pasta the same way I would if I was making the box stuff. Add my seasoned pack, stir it around, add my liquid, cook it for 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, however long your rice takes. Like my rice takes about 15 minutes. And I even did this out on my barbecue and it worked perfectly. So there you go. Homemade rice Roni, the chicken flavor. Maybe next time I'll try it with a beef and I'll see what it's like with a beef in there. Woo, I bet you that'd be good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you again pretty soon. Bye.